Hello everyone, this is Praveen Chittoju again from TimeChamp. Today we are going to discuss in detail about TimeChamp and ActivTrak, and also we will discuss which employee monitoring platform delivers better ROI. Are you ready? Let's deep dive into the session. If you are evaluating ActivTrak and TimeChamp, you are already decided you need employee monitoring. Both platforms track apps, websites, activity timelines, and ideal time. The core monitoring capabilities overlap significantly. So, the real question is not whether to monitor, it's what you are monitoring for. Before we dive into the comparison, let's set the context. According to a 2023 Gartner survey, 82% of organizations adopting employee monitoring cite manager visibility and attendance verification as top priorities, not advanced behavioral research. This statistics frames the entire comparison you are able to see. ActivTrak is built for understanding your behavior patterns across organizations. Who does what, when, how work flows through teams. It's analytics first, designed for HR leaders and IT teams who want to answer these questions like: are our tools being adopted? Where are collaboration bottlenecks? And what does productive behavior look like in our environment? TimeChamp is built for productivity, accountability, and utilization. Operation leaders, project managers, and business owners need different answers. How are workers distributed? How our workers are distributed? What's billable versus non-billable time? Is attendance verified? What's team level output this week? These are the questions in their mind. Let's talk about reporting, because raw monitoring data only matters if you can turn it into decisions. ActivTrak deserves credit here. Their analytics engine is built for organizations that want steady workforce behavior. You get advanced filtering, custom productivity benchmark, drill down capabilities across departments, time ranges, and integrations with BI tools like Tableau and Power BI. But here is the implementation reality. Extracting that value requires configuration, training, and often a dedicated analyst. You are not opening the platform on day one and immediately seeing what you need. TimeChamp takes a different approach here. The reporting library is focused on operational questions managers ask every day. Which team members are underutilized? How much time is going to be billable versus non-billable work? And what are the top unproductive applications across the team? These are the questions TimeChamp is going to answer you. Interesting? Yes. Let's talk about what happens after you sign the contract. Because deployment speed and admin overhead matters just as much as features lists. ActivTrak is built for enterprise IT teams. Its admin interface is powerful. You can configure granular productivity categories, set custom policy rules by department, manage role-based permissions down to the user level. But the power comes with complexity here. Expect a dedicated admin to own the platform. One mid-market logistic company told us their ActivTrak rollout took 6 weeks. Not because of technical issues, but because defining productivity categories and aligning stakeholders across HR, IT, and operations. It took 3 rounds of internal workshops. TimeChamp takes a different approach here. Install agents, define productivity and unproductive app categories using pre-built templates, assign teams, and start tracking. Most teams are collecting data within 48 hours. Sounds interesting? Yes. The admin UI is where you will spend time configuring policies, managing teams, and troubleshooting. The admin UI is where you will spend time configuring policies, managing teams, and troubleshooting. ActivTrak admin interface is powerful. You can configure granular productivity categories, set custom policy rules by department, manage role-based permissions down to the user level. The admin UI is streamlined around core monitoring needs, attendance verification, productivity scoring, ideal time analysis without requiring a certificate course to navigate. Both platforms likely offer cloud and on-premises deployment. These are the options depending on configuration, but ActivTrak market heavily to enterprise buyers with complex infrastructure requirements, where TimeChamp is designed for straightforward cloud deployment. The outcome, ActivTrak is the better fit if you have dedicated IT resource to invest in configuration and customization. TimeChamp wins if you need a monitoring running this week, not next quarter. Here is side-by-side feature comparison. Both platforms cover core monitoring capabilities, app and website tracking, activity timelines, ideal time analysis, screenshots, and productivity scoring. The differentiation comes in reporting depth, deployment speed, admin complexity, and pricing transparency. ActivTrak offers advanced analytics with BI integrations and custom benchmarks, but require configuration and analyst resources. TimeChamp provides pre-built operational reports with immediate usability for non-technical managers. ActivTrak's enterprise onboarding fits large deployments. TimeChamp self-service model fits teams needing monitoring this week. And pricing part, ActivTrak uses custom codes after sales discovery. TimeChamp publishes transparent per user costs. Let's clear about where each platform genuinely excels. ActivTrak's strengths are real: dashboard sophistication, analytics depth, custom productivity benchmarks, and integration with enterprise BI tools. If you are 500 plus employee enterprise with HR analytics team running workforce behavior studies, ActivTrak's team running workforce behavior studies, ActivTrak depth makes sense. TimeChamp's strengths are equally real: practical visibility without complexity, pre-built reports that non-technical managers can see, use immediately, transparent pricing, and deployment speed measured in days, not weeks. A 70% IT service firm switching from ActivTrak told us they were spending 4 hours a week just for preparing reports for managers. With TimeChamp, that dropped to under 30 minutes. Same visibility, fraction of the effort. Now let's talk about trade-off, because no platform is perfect. ActivTrak's weaknesses are tied to its strengths. The analytics depth that makes it powerful also make it complex. You need configuration time, training investments, and often a dedicated analyst to extract value. One mid-market logistic company told us their rollout took 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks. Not because of the technical issue, but because defining the productivity categories and aligning stakeholders took 3 rounds of internal workshops. And pricing is opaque. You will go through sales discovery calls to get custom quote. TimeChamp's trade-offs are different. You won't get the same analytical depth for workforce behavior studies if your HR team wants to run custom burnout-risk models. TimeChamp reporting library won't support that level of research. It's built for operational visibility, not for data science. Let's talk about cost, because monitoring ROI is not just about the features. It's about cost per insight. ActivTrak doesn't publish pricing. That's typical for enterprise-focused platforms. You will contact sales, go through discovery calls, and receive a custom codes based on their positioning alongside tools like Verito and their analytics depth. Expect enterprise tied per seat cost that justified if your compliance team needing forensic level behavior analytics across thousands of employees. TimeChamp takes a different approach. Transparent, accessible pricing. You get app and website tracking, screenshots, productivity scoring, attendance reports, ideal time analysis, and activity timelines without entire costs. No sales calls, no minimum seat counts, inflating your initial investments. Here's the ROI reality. If your goal is reducing unproductive hours and improving billable utilization across 50% remote team, TimeChamp delivers measurable ROI faster. A regional marketing agency with 43 hybrid employees deployed TimeChamp specifically because the per user cost allowed them to monitor the entire team, including contractors, without budget approval delays. They recovered 11 unproductive hours per employee per month for the first quarter. The platform is paid for itself in 6 months. Friends, if you are using currently ActivTrak and considering switch, here is what the migration looks like. The transition is straightforward because both platforms cover the same core monitoring capabilities. App and website tracking, activity timelines, ideal time analysis, screenshot. You are not losing fundamental visibility. What changing is the reporting model. You will move from custom analytics dashboard to pre-built operational reports. The most teams that an upgrade in usability, not a downgrade in value. A 120% IT firm we mentioned earlier made this exact switch. Their organization's director needed billable utilization data, not behavioral pattern analysis. TimeChamp gave them that visibility immediately. No deployment is fast. No reconfiguration. No analysis required. Deployment is fast. Install TimeChamp agents. Configure productivity and unproductive apps. Categories using templates. Assign teams and start tracking. Most teams are collecting data within 48 hours. Yes, 48 hours. You can run both platforms in parallel during the transition if you need continuity. Here is practical example that captures the difference. A 120% IT services firm evaluating both platforms told us they chose ActivTrak initially because the dashboards looked more sophisticated. 3 months later, they switched to TimeChamp. Why? Their operation director needed to answer one question every Monday. Which clients consumed how many hours last week? And were these hours unproductive? ActivTrak gave them behavioral insights. TimeChamp gave them utilization data they could bill against. That's the core difference in one sentence. So here where we are. ActivTrak is built for enterprise analytics teams who need behavioral intelligence and workforce research capabilities. TimeChamp is built for operations leaders, IT managers, and business owners who need reliable monitoring and actionable productivity metrics without the analytics overhead or the enterprise price tag. Set your expectations now. ActivTrak will win on dashboard sophistication and analytical depth. TimeChamp wins on practical visibility and cost efficiency. The question is, which problem you are solving? So here is where we are. ActivTrak is built for enterprise analytics teams who need behavioral intelligence and workforce research capabilities. TimeChamp is built for operation leaders, IT managers, and business owners who need reliable monitoring and actionable productivity metrics without the analytics overhead or the enterprise price tag. If you are ready to see what workforce visibility looks like without the complexity, start a free trial with TimeChamp. Please visit timechamp.io and book a dedicated demo for you. No credit card is required, no enterprise sales cycle, just activity tracking, productivity scoring, attendance dashboards, and utilization reports you can start using from day one. If you are managing a large team or need help configuring monitoring policies for your specific use case, remote accountability, billable utilization, compliance readiness, book a dedicated demo at timechamp.io/book.demo. You will walk through TimeChamp's monitoring capabilities with someone who understands operational visibility, not just data science. Bottom line is here. You don't need a behavioral analytics platform to manage remote teams' productivity. You need visibility, accountability, and utilization insights. TimeChamp delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching the video. Please scan the QR code and book a dedicated AI delegation audit for your team and organization. We are offering 7 days free trial for usage. No credit card required. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video is informative for you. See you again with another wonderful video. Thank you.